Never seen a 6 in a row. Arami, this session's the first time we got, wait, there is a chance to get a battery charger with the 20, guys. Would be nice if we get it. No way we're getting the 20, it's a battery charger, guys. No, stay there. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a 20. It's on the battery charger, guys. Aye. Oh, no way. We have initial 100. It's going to be 2,000x, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go, guys. Would be nice if we get something more than 1,000. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Not a 200. We skipped it. I don't need a 140, man. Not a 140, guys. Let's hit the global multiplier. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, next up we have 1,600 all rounds of 4,000, guys, and that's 1,600, ladies and gentlemen. That's a big win in this session. You all deserve it. Enjoy your big multiplier.
So, guys, 5x on Pachinko. Okay, Pachinko with a 5x multiplier. Well, without further ado, let's get going. Let the money trickle down. And let's see what we got. Come on. All right, starting off with an immaculate 3x. We got a 5x, 7x, 10x, 15x, 20x, 35x, 200x doubles, and of course a 5x multiplier, which makes the minimum a 15x and oh, that's 1,000x. There we go. So, pop it, lock it, and then drop it. Okay. What do we got? And on that, now we got 1,000x. Well, compliments to each and every one of you. Mwah.
Pachinko with 5x in the top slot. And we should look at that. We don't have negative people, and we get the bonus. Dumb is the worst, guys, by the way. I'm so bad. The worst host. Jeez. Host change. Oh my god. Take a look, ladies and gentlemen. We got to start off with a 7x. 10, 15, 20, 25, ladies and gentlemen. 35 with a 50, 200x, and a little bit of a double. Look at that. 1,000x. That's how we do it. The worst host got a big top slot. 1,000x is the biggest one, ladies and gentlemen. Good luck. How is this possible? Impossible. Let's now take a look. What did you say? Oh, by the way, 2,226 winners. What did you say?
25x on cash from the top slot. Wow. Let's see. Woo-hoo-hoo. Wow. Welcome to the cash, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, so we are having our multipliers over here, but we have 25x from the top slot, right? So let's multiply them all. Wow. 1,875 is the highest one, right? Wow, all right, good luck. Wow, this will be great. What can I say? This will be wonderful, absolutely wonderful. Whew. I hope you memorized that, and I hope you chose it, and let's see. Oh, wow, look at that. So much. A lot of multipliers are over here. 2,500, by the way. Wow, incredible. Congratulations, 1,580.